Okay, ang sipag nyo kung nandito kayo today, ano. Good evening kasi gabi na dito sa akin. So today, we'll be discussing about candlestick guide. Straight to the point, easy to understand. Pwedeng gamitin sa PSE, sa US stocks, sa FOREX, and sa crypto. So, parang bigyan ko lang kayo ng context. Dito sa technical analysis, medyo mahalaga to, no? Medyo above average yung importance netong candlesticks. Kasi, ito yung lagi nyo makikita sa charts eh. Para kang pumunta sa isang gera na wala kang bala. Gets nyo yun? Pwede kang manalo pero mahirap, di ba? Mananalo ka ba, nasa gera ka, ano ka lang, dala mo lang kutsilyo. So, para ma-increase yung odds of success, syempre, aralin nyo na yung di ba? Yung mga inaaral rin ng mga successful na traders. So, there are more than 3 types of charts. Yung nabanggit ko is candlestick. So, the first example is the line chart. Kung mapapansin nyo, linya-linya lang siya, comprises of lines. So, the daily chart ng Bitcoin, isang line is the day. So, yung point na yun is yung closing price. Closing price, line lang. Linya-linya lang. So, wala siyang masyadong information compared to the other charts. Other type of charts. Ito naman yung bar chart. Medyo dumami na yung information niya. Pero, overall, mahirap pa rin ma-comprehend or makita yung Pero pwede na din kung masanay ka. Ito yung ginagamit ng mga matatanda na. Mga 50 years old na and above. Kasi dito sila nasanay eh. And then, eto, candlestick chart. Japanese candlestick. Kasi isang Japanese yung naka-discover. And then, after niyang ma-discover, most adopted type of chart to date na siya. Has more visual data shown compared to other charts. So, the bearish candlestick, ito yung itsura niya. Traders usually use red or black to indicate a bearish candlestick. Personally, ang ginagamit ko, red, hindi red, black. And then, dun sa bullish, I use white. Pero for the sake of teaching, ang ginagamit ko is red and green. Kasi yun yung pinaka-common for newbies. Or like, starting out pa lang. So, ito yung tawag sa parts ng individual candlestick. So, this is a wick. Wick. Kasi parang kandila, di ba? So, wick. Wick yung tawag. And then, this is the body. And then, ito naman, bullish candlestick. Wick, body, and then wick ulit. Lower wick, higher wick. Traders usually use green or white to indicate a bullish candlestick. Bullish candlestick meaning buyers are strong. So, here's a bearish candlestick. Let's start off with the information, yung data na binibigay nila. So, this particular candle, ang ibinibigay niyang information is that ito yung highest point na narating ng buyers kasi tinry itulak ng buyers dito. This is the high. High, open, close, and low. So, medyo self-explanatory na yung yung pangalan nila. Kailangan nyo lang masanay. And then, don't worry, hindi siya mahirap maintindihan. Kailangan nyo lang talagang masanay. High, highest point in price that the buyers were able to reach during that time frame, that time nung candle na yan, either the day or the hour or the minute or the week. So it depends. For the sake of argument, let's say na lang na one day. So ito yung highest point nung araw na yon. And then open, dito nag-open yung prices nung araw na yon. opening price of the particular candle. So, ito yung opening price, kaya siya umabot dyan kasi tinry ng buyers iakyat yung prices at some time of the day. Tinry nila i-push pero the sellers were very strong. Binagsak nila yung prices till the lowest low, sa pinaka-low of that day. Lowest point that the sellers were able to reach on that particular day. And then, binawi konti, kaya nagkaroon ng dito nag-close kasi binawi konti ng ng buyers. So, final price of the candlestick, dito nag-end yung araw, yung price ng araw na yun. Pero overall, kasi mas mababa yung closing price sa opening price, ibig sabihin malakas yung sellers. Bearish candlestick ang tawag sa ganito. In conclusion, a bearish candlestick shows up when sellers are stronger than buyers. Naglabanan yung buyers and sellers, but at the end of the week, or the day, or the hour, or etc., the sellers were able to overpower the buyers, which is why it closed red or black. The longer the candle, the stronger the selling pressure. So, ito naman yung bullish candlestick. High, parehas lang, and then ito yung low, hindi yan nagbabago, high and low. Paminsan, walang low kasi equal yung open tsaka yung low. Ganun, explain ko mamaya. High and low, basta parehas lang yan. Ang nag-iba lang dito is that yung opening niya nandito, opening price, and then dito siya nag-close. So, dito nag-open, tinry ng sellers ibagsak, pero binawi ng buyers. Umangat sa pinaka-high, dito umabot yung buyers naman, pero medyo binagsak ng sellers. Pero overall, bullish yung candle. Malakas yung buyers. Okay? So, in conclusion, a bullish candlestick shows up when buyers are stronger than sellers. Naglabanan yung buyers and sellers, but at the end of the week, the day, the hour, etc., the buyers were able to overpower the sellers, which is why it closed green or white. The longer the candle, the stronger the buying pressure. So, kung ang bilis ko, sabihin nyo lang sa akin para bumagal ako Joke lang. So, ito yung strength ng candlesticks. As I said, pwede to mangyari. Dito naman, pwede rin mangyari yung walang wick yung sa baba. Ibig sabihin, walang low. Ito equal yung lows sa opening price kapag ito bullish candle. And then dito rin, equal yung opening price sa low. And then ito naman, equal yung high sa sa closing price. Ito yung very bullish. Sobrang lakas ng conviction ng buyers, ibig sabihin, ng bulls. And then, less bullish naman yung ito kasi tinry ng buyers iakyat dyan and then binagsak ng sellers konti. Kaya hindi siya kasing bullish nito, katulad nito. And then, ito naman, neutral. Sorry kasi wrong spelling pala yan. Neutral. And then, dito naman, palakas yung bearish. Pagka-bearish ng candle. Same concept lang. Kasi dito yung opening price equal sa high, pero binagsak ng bears or ng sellers, and then nag-close sa very low. Ibig sabihin, malakas yung conviction ng mga sellers. Like, sobrang siguro takot sila or something. Pero ito rin, same concept dito, pinawi ng buyers, kaya hindi siya kasing bearish nito. Next candle is ito usually tsura ng doji. Hindi siya kasing haba niyan, pwedeng lang, kalahati lang ng length niyan. Yung doji usually indicates indecision. Ibig sabihin, equal yung strength ng buyers and sellers. And then, madalas siya nakikita sa turning points ng price chart. So, ito siya. Kunyaring downwards, turning point, nag-uptrend na. uptrend, turning point, doji, ito doji, downtrend. So doji and doji, ito siya. Hindi importante yung yung pangalan. Nakalagay dito morning doji star and evening doji star. Pero para sa akin, pare-parehas lang yan lahat. Like, parehas lang yung psychology behind it. So, ito siya. Nag-uptrend siya, nasa tuktok siya, and then bumagsak yung prices afterwards. And then, ito ulit, may doji ulit, umakyat na naman yung prices afterwards. So, doji and doji, nag-flip yung yung trend. Yung short-term trend. Short-term lang to kasi 60 minutes lang to. So, hourly. Each candle is 1 hour. So, the names of the candles are not as important as knowing the psychology behind it. Pero, pag ito yung nakita nyo, more or less tawag dyan, hammer. And then, kapag ito yung itsura nung nung candle, more or less, ang tawag sa kanya is dragonfly. Pero, same lang ang psychology nila, more or less. These 4 candles are formed when sellers tried to push prices downwards, but the buyers were stronger at the closing of the candle, thus creating a very long wick coming from the bottom. Kasi tinry nila ibagsak ng sellers, pero ang lakas ng buyers, binawi yung prices. So, at the end of that candle, ang meaning lang nun is that malakas yung bulls. So, the important thing to remember is that this is a very bullish sign when you see it. Especially when you see it at the bottom of a downtrend. So, here are examples. Downtrend, and then may makikita tayong dalawa, no? Ito, mukha siyang dragonfly or a hammer. And then this one too. Buyers overpowered the sellers who were trying to push prices downwards. And then, as you can see, umakyat na yung prices afterwards. So, wala na, hindi na nagpatalo yung buyers sa area na to, sa 30,000 levels. Ibig sabihin, may demand na dito yung buyers. Malakas na yung buyers dito banda, and then prices pushed upwards. So, ito naman yung opposite nun, gravestone ang tawag, and then shooting star. So, these 4 candles are formed when buyers try to push prices upwards. Yung buyers, tinatry nila itulak pataas, pero the sellers were stronger. At the closing of the candle, thus creating a very long wick coming from the top, binagsak ng sellers. So, malakas ang selling pressure. So, the important thing to remember is that this is a very bearish sign when you see it. So, here's an example of the gravestone and the shooting star. So, uptrend siya, and then turning point, reversal ang tawag usually dito, reverse. Nire-reverse niya yung trend. So, 4 candles here are showing strong signs of selling pressure. Buyers tried to push the prices upwards, but were overpowered by the sellers, thus reversing the uptrend. So, dito tinry ng buyers i-push yung prices. Dito sa 4 candles na yan, nakikita yung emotions or yung nangyari for that hour. Although, sa sa time period na yan, tinry nila umangat yan, pero ang lakas ng sellers sa area na to. So, bumagsak yung prices afterwards. Rejected yung price sa area na to. So, kapag may nakita naman yung candles na ganito, bullish Marubozu and then bearish Marubozu candle. Pag nagpakita to, usually buyers or sellers are strong and will make the price continue its trend. So, as I said, malakas yung conviction nila. Ito malakas yung bullish conviction. And then, ito naman, malakas yung bearish conviction. So, makikita nyo dito, may mini Marubozu dyan. And then, ito yung pinakamalaking Marubozu dito. So, as you can see, may conviction yung prices, malakas sila, sige, bili lang ng bili, gano'n. And then, nag-push yung prices upwards. Ito, mini maruboso siya. So, nag-short term, siya, bumagsak siya konti. Ibig sabihin, malakas yung selling pressure. Bumagsak konti yung prices. So, as you can see dito din, malakas na maruboso, bullish maruboso. And then, prices, went upwards afterwards. So, if may questions kayo, magtanong lang kayo. And then, I appreciate yung mga nakikinig. And then, yung nag-watch. Hopefully, pa ako, ibang lessons pa na importante. More interesting than this. Thank you.